Presenting our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Rodrigo Rojas, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Liberato Benito Jr., International Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our defending champions, our Far Eastern University, Lady Tamaraos. Let's start off with their team captain, number 9, Mary Remy Joy Palma. At number 2, Bernadette Pons. Wearing jersey number 10, guest player Honey Royce Tubino. At number 12, Kyle Angela Negrito. Number 15, Geraldine Malabanan. And guest player number 18, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Libero, number 11, Kyla Liana Atienza. Sitting in as head coach, Mr. Arielito Canlas. Calling on our University of Santo Tomas Tigresses. Team captain, number 6, Pamela Trisha Lastimosa. Number 8, Carmela Tunay. Number 9, Energy Laure. Number 10, Alexine Cabanos. Number 15, Jessie Lane De Leon. And number 18, Marivic Meneses. Libero, number 11, Patricia Kim Rasmo. Head coach, Mr. Emilio Kung Fu Reyes. This is game 2 of the finals for the bronze.
So yan na po, starting lineup para sa magkabilang kupunan. Ng katanungan nga, ito bang kupunan ng FU, makakamit na nila ang bronze medal sa araw na ito? Or will UST force it to a third game? Of course, a third game will only happen pag nanalo naman ang National University bukas.
Yes, that's right. So it's still dependent. But syempre para dito sa UST, mas gusto na nila yung makasiguro at least they're one step further kung sakasakali to extend this into another game.
Well, of course, malalaman natin yan. When this game begins, ano ang dadalhin naman ng mga tutulong dito kay EJ Laure sa UST? They must work as a unit. And we're not saying that EJ Laure is the only person who can score. Everybody can score dito.
Yes.
In fact, they've been having a lot of different leading scorers para dito sa kupunan ng UST all throughout the conference.
Yeah, I have to agree, but I think one of the major factors din at UST, ito yung nakikita natin na minsan nagiging dahilan why they fall short and why they fall behind, is yung kanilang errors.
Yes.
Once they commit the errors, there are certain times na nahihirapan sila to bounce back.
Well, it is now the first serve to Alex Cabanos, who's getting the start today. Kyle Negrito, tinawid ka agad. Cabanos going over to Mela Tunay. First point to UST. At si Mela Tunay parang nakakita ng ipis.
Sobrang excitement But I think that's important more because we all know these girls, they all have the skills.
Right.
Ang importante lagi na hindi nawawala din dyan is yung attitude nila, yun yung kasing mahirap Once you lose it, yung excitement dun sa game, yung parang fighting attitude, minsan dun na nakakaabante yung kalaban
And I guess for the 3 graduating players para dito sa UST, as we have a block point from Pamela Stimosa, ayan na yung mga tumutulong kay EJ Laure. As the 3 graduating players, Mela Tunay, Pamela Stimosa, and Jessie De Leon, na nasa harapan silang tatlo ngayon, They have to remember also, ito na yung huling spirit natin, mag-enjoy na tayo dito.
Kumbaga parang ibigay na todo, bigay na, di ba?
So Alex Cabanos with a serve that goes out. So 2-1 ang ating score. Service error that time galing dito kay Cabanos. Para naman dito sa kupunan ng FEU, walang mawawala sa kanila.
Very
It's
much
coming,
intact.
intact.
Right.
Of course, mawawala si Jovelyn Gonzaga at
Si
si Royce
Tubino,
Tubino. Di naman counted.
Yeah, but everybody else would be the same.
Right.
So I think this is really good exposure para din sa FEU.
Negrito with a good serve. Pamela Stimosa. Hindi na itawid ang kanyang tira. So the score is tied at 2. There are cheerers for UST. Of course, dala nila yung mga tambol nila. Pero for FEU, alam naman din natin na hindi nagkukulang sa crowd support yan maya-maya.
Right.
Negrito on the serve once again. Malakas. So 3-2 ang ating score. University of Santo Tomas. Abante rito. Jessie Lane De Leon. Gusto ko yung name Jessie Lane.
Parang pangalan ng artista.
Nuts.
Diba?
Sige na, Jessie Lane onto the serve. Artistahin naman ito.
Oh.
On the serve. Pons, Negrito, iniwan para kay Remy Palma, and the boss makes her presence felt. Kung ganyan kalaki, boss mo, wala kang gagawin talagang masama. No?
Oo,
Oh,
eh.
yes, boss. Yes, boss. Paluin kita dyan. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Tie the 3.
Good serve.
Laure, Cabanos, nice back set. Papunta rito kay Mela Tunay. Inangat naman niya ni Ria Meneses. Kyle Negrito, combination play. Royce Tubino, hinulog. Binuhay naman ni Mela Tunay. EJ Laure, galing sa likod. Negrito, malabanan. And we talked about her at the top of the coverage. Future cornerstone.
Yun yung sinasabi natin, sometimes really, she gives those surprises eh.
Well, no surprise anymore. She may look a little slow pagdating sa kilos, pero pag magandang set sa kanya, lakas ng palo.
At ang bilis ng palo.
Right. Good serve. Malabanan tries to score again. Cabanos, pinapakalat lahat. Lastimosa cross score. Nice dig by Bernadette Pons. At ipamimigayan ni Royce Tubino. Meneses, Cabanos on the back set. Lastimosa. And Lastimosa pulling the coverage. Tied at 4. And you want to go deep pag nandun pa yung quicker sa likuran.
Yeah.
In that case, si Remy Palma, sinubukan niya. Okay, Carmela Lu, do your thing. Good serve. Pons, inangat. Tubino, still attacking. Cabanos. EJ Laure nasa harapan na. Naabangan doon ni Malabanan. Rasmus sending it over to Lastimosa. Tubino. Long rally ongoing. Lastimosa. Dug up once again by Pons. Negrito. Jovelin. Backhand attack. Pang beach volleyball ang ginawa niya ron. Still alive. Pons. Ang haba ng rally. Cabanos. Meneses. Turn back. It's still alive. Back set. Lastimosa. Napakahaba ng rally.
Buhay pa rin.
Malabanan. Stop by Rasmo. Meneses. Lastimosa. 4-all pa lang po ang ating score. A block that goes out from Meneses. So si Royce Tubino hihingal lahat.
Actually, lahat sila eh.
Breathe in,
Yeah.
breathe out.
Ayan. Hihingal eh.
That was more
It
than
was
1
really
minute.
a very long rally.
Yes. So si Royce Tubino still recovering from the long rally. Nice sharp serve fielded by Mela Tunay. Back set, Pam Lastimosa off the block. Gonzaga inangat. Pons nasa harapan na. Mela Tunay. Pati Rasmo. Sending it back to Mela. Galing sa likod. Ang ganda ng placement. Nagtinginan si Gonzaga at saka si Tubino.
So no communication there kung sino dapat kukuha.
Well-placed shot. And the reaction of Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Sa'yo yun.
Namewang. Namewang
Kasi
kay
long
Royce.
ball nga naman eh, di ba? So,
Well, again, Royce Tubino sanay kasi siya yung pinapalitan ng libero.
Yeah.
Ngayon, hindi na eh. Oh, nice shot. Coming from Pons. Dug up well by Lastimosa. Negrito down the middle for Gonzaga. Off the block. Mahaba-habang laban ito, madam.
mukha nga eh.
Diba?
So, USD really out to get the match. Makikita natin simula pa lang
This
eh.
is a very different UST lineup than what we saw in game number 1, 6-5 FEU. Cabanos lifts it up. Laure. Played off the net by Negrito. Given up now by Gonzaga. Cabanos too near for Laure. Tinulak na lang ni EJ. Negrito itinawid. Pons over the defense. Nicely done. 7-5 FEU. Yan ang fight fire with fire. Ito yung gusto natin makita mga contest, Ivy. That's a great shoot coming from Kyle Negrito. And a good misdirection there from Bernadette Pons. If Bernadette Pons can get 15 points again, bigay na natin yung panalo rito sa FEU. PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. In stark contrast, if EJ Laure can score 15 points or
Ganun
more,
din eh.
bigay na rin natin sa UST.
Eh, paano yung pareho silang 15?
Ayan na. Diyan na mapasok
Kung
yung mga
napagkakala mo
X-Factor.
na.
Oo. Katulad nito, si Riri. Pag nakalimang block points yan, itala mo na sa UST yan. Pero ngayon, nasa likuran siya to serve. Atienza, Negrito, malabanan. Yan na naman yung malakas ng palo. EJ Laure, inangat. Pamimigay ni Lastimosa. Negrito. And that is good coming from Bernadette Pons. Magandang panimula para sa magkabilang kupunan pero lamang po ng 2 puntos ang Lady Tamaraw sa ating first technical timeout of set number 1. Magbabalik po kami.
Check 1, 2, 3, mic test. Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3. Check mic test.
Nakasulat na sa kalendaryo niyo yan, ha? Bukas po, 12:45 p.m. live here on GMA News TV. Game 2 of the championship, Ateneo kontra NU. Ateneo, of course, leading that series 1-0 as we introduce the third member of our panel, Rina Villamor.
Yes, Noah, let's talk about the UST Lady Tigers. Their secret weapon coming into this game is their character in playing. Sabi nga nila, kahit natalo sila during their last game, they will surely bounce back and put up or never say die attitude in today's ball game. Now, ang kwento nga sa akin ni EJ Laure kanina before the start of this game, hindi daw niya ma-explain kung bakit sila natalo during their last game. Pero hindi naman daw mababa yung moral ng kanilang kupunan. It's just that hindi talaga nag-click yung team effort nila at yung individual effort nila. At lumabas din yung sakit nila sa kupunan, which is not being able to start strong. Well, during the past few days, nag-focus daw sila sa mga tune-up games kesa daw sa mga training nila. Kasi pag tune-up games daw, mas na-exercise yung mental ability nila kesa dun sa mga trainings nila kasi naging predictable daw yung galaw nila inside the court. Now, for today's game, they're expected to play with pride and of course, give more than what is expected from them. Nuwalan Ivy?
Well, tama rin naman yung sinasabi dyan ni Rina about what UST did. Hindi na sila practice, lumaban na lang sila.
Yeah.
Execute na lang. Ang problema rito, nagkukulang sila sa execution. That's why Coach Kung Fu stands up already because they're down by 4.
That's right. And it's actually more of like errors on their end.
Right.
Hindi naman sa nakakapuntos ng marami din ng FEU sa kanila. But, you know, the string of errors that they've committed. Pero prior to the first technical timeout, actually maganda ang naging fair ng kanilang errors. Tag-isang error lang.
Well, this is now 11-6 lead timeout Kung Fu Reyes.
Tumakbo na siya. Wala namang follow-up po ng kwarto sa likod. Isa lang tumatakbo yung direct. Yung 4 nandito, yung 2 lang inandito sa kabila. So walang tulong. So kung mapalo niya, mablock ng kalaban, walang kukuha ng coverage. So kung nasan yung bola, sundan yung sundan. Ha? Puro tapo natin yung bola. Yan mo lang. Napaloy mo ng kwarto. Papasok ko ng 8. Napaloy mo. Pag hindi kaya, lagyan na lang kayong 2 sa likod. Tingnan nyo ng bola, doon nga magsisimula yun.
Cool na cool pa si Coach Kung Fu at this point kasi alam naman niya pwede pa rin lang bawiin yan. But if you look at the scoreboard, lamang kanina UST 6-5. So this is now what? 6 unanswered points. As we take our friends to Shakey's, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Malabanan. Another good serve. EJ Laure, good response coming off the timeout. You have to remember that EJ Laure, yan ang future talaga nitong kumpanan. As we take a look at this Ultra Fast Spike brought to us by PLD Homo Terra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. So next year, pag wala na si Tunay, Lastimosa at saka si De Leon, siya na yung reyna. In EJ Laure getting another point on the service ace this time. Babasa 3 kabate rito ng FEU. Laure once again. Good serve again. Pons. Laure. Campanos on the run. De Leon. Hinabol ni Atienza. Negrito, back set. Nako!
Miscommunication.
Hindi alam kung anong klaseng quick ang hinihingi doon. Kung anong klaseng set ang hinihingi ni Palma. So 11-9 as we take our friends of Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's Philly.
Good serve.
Negrito, inangat. Palma! Rasmo actually had Laure behind her. So nakakalmot ng puntos doon. Itong si Remy Palma.
And a good recovery, no, mula doon sa earlier miscommunication nila ni Negrito.
Right. Bernadette Pons. Good serve. They send it to Mela Tunay on the late reaction. Makikita mo, pati yung depensa nagulat. Uy, may Tunay pala. Ang bilis ng take-off ni Tunay doon. Take a look at this again.
And yun nga the fact that it was deflected by the block also changed the direction of the ball. Yun yung minsan mahirap din makuha yung pagtama tas biglang tatalsik.
Right. Alex Cabanos now to serve. Negrito. Ayan ang gustong set ni Boss. Gonzaga sending it to Tubino. And again, Rasmo had Laure behind her. Make that Dizon now is the new libero para sa UST. Dizon had Laure behind her. Kailangan may communication talaga. Kahit libero ka na, kailangan mo pa rin ng tulong eh.
And then yun pwesto rin kasi sometimes pagka yung wala sa pwesto, maiilang ka lalo na pag nandun ka na magre-receive.
Buti hindi nga tinamaan si Dizon sa mukha nito ni EJ Laure. 13-10 FEU. Dizon. De Leon. Still kept alive by Lastimosa. Good reflexes. Negrito. Jovelyn Gonzaga. 14-10. Ayan na si Guaps. Guaps na talaga pangalan niya. Job Guaps.
Dati guwapa kayo, Guaps.
No, Guaps na lang. Parang yung evolution ng pangalan ni Bang Pineda ba't naging Bang?
Unang haba yun di ba?
Mahaba yung kwentong
mahaba yung
yun
una nun
Here is Lastimosa. Nice block by Palma.
And no coverage para dito sa UST.
Remy Palma naniniga dito sa ating first set. As FEU is up by 5 once again. Coach Kung Fu just saying what the adjustments are.
Medyo relax pa si Coach.
Negrito. Into the net. 15-11 nakapuntos na ng UST. Finally, si Meneses nakapasok na sa harapan.
Tagal din yung napahinga,
Diba?
Tagal bago nakaikot.
15-11. Jessie Lane. Naghahanap ng target na hindi Atien sa apelyido. Oh,
Yes.
galing. Hanap nga niya si Mons. 15-12. Or in volleyball parlance, 12 serving 15. Jessie. Another sharp serve. Better reception by Pons. And there goes Tubino. Tunay off the block. Habol si Pons. Negrito. Tubino nahanap ang butas. Smart hit coming from Royce Tubino. 4 ang abante ng FEU sa ating second technical timeout. Magbabalik po kami. Well, ladies and gentlemen, use the hashtag VLeagueFEU versus UST Live sa inyong pag-tweet. And thank you for joining us here on GMA News TV. Sa aming patuloy na pagkahatid sa inyo ng bronze medal match. Game number 2. Noel Zarate po kasama si Miss Cavite, Ivy Remulla, at si Rina Villamor from the arena here in San Juan. Good coverage there by Tunay. Here's Negrito. Malabanan na ilusot. Miss hit na yun.
Oo, that's right.
Jerry Malabanan, I believe she's still growing. Mas matangkad na siya kay Jobs. Diba nung simula, mas maliit pa siya kay Jobs
Bata pa
dati.
naman siya eh. Pero makikita mo ha, yung FEU, what they're trying to do now is utilize more fast plays eh. Dinadaan nila sa bilis eh.
Right. So, service error there for Remy Palma. 17-13. There's Coach Ariel Canlas who's still taking the place of Coach Shaq. De Los Santos dito sa lineup. Sa coaching staff. Tunay. Lumiko yung bola sa kanyang serve. Negrito. Tubino. Tubino again. Ganda ng depensa na UST bigla. Cabanos. Laure. Cross court. Saved by Atienza. Pons. Gonzaga into the net. The UST defense is now making a stand.
And so far, FEU has 11 attack points, UST 6 lang. Pero FEU managed to get 2 points from block, UST 1 point from block. Pero UST did very well at the service line. Meron silang 2 service ace.
Right. Tunay. Gusto magdagdagan sana. Napalakas. Regalo para kay Lastimosa. Gonzaga, to whom it may concern. Cabanos. Back set. Lastimosa cross court. Baba sa dalawa ang abante ng FEU. Timeout Ariel Canlas.
Okay, so hindi maganda yung atake natin, baguhin natin. Okay, para maging effective yung atake natin, kailangan may receive. Receive muna tayo maayos, then atake tayo maganda. Okay? Then yung mag-service, pasok nyo lang. Huwag yung sundan yung service zero. Ha? Okay? Receive, ayusin nyo para maganda yung atake natin. Ha? Tara.
Back to basics lang. As we will take a look at this now from UST, marami na silang positives na ginagawa. It starts with their defense talaga eh.
Yes, that's right. Actually, for more than anything, lahat pag maganda depensa, maririnig mo lagi sa coach yun eh. Na gandahan nyo lang ang depensa, gandahan nyo lang ang first ball, ang dami yung pwedeng gawin.
Lastimosa with a cross-court kill that time. And can you imagine, I think I said this already nung panahon pa ni Venus Bernal, but can you imagine Pam Lastimosa or UST without Pam Lastimosa, without Mela Tunay, without Jessie De Leon? Parang, ano naman ang aabangan natin? Although, as may see Gonzaga go through the hit, alam naman natin yung evolution ng mga college players ever since nagko-cover tayo dito. Dati mga Venus Bernal, naging Valse, tapos eventually naging Angketa Baquero, naging Aiza Maizo, and then dumating na sila Maruba Natikla, di ba? Sila Rhea de Maculangan. As Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. So eventually, you're going to get to admire a new, completely
set,
new
that's right.
set of players sa UST. Ganun na rin sa FEU, although matagal-tagal pa yung FEU bago mabuwag yan. Lastimosa chases her own shot. Here is EJ Laure.
Oh, that
Hindi daw
did
tumawid.
not go over.
Laure, most of her attempts dyan sa gitna, puro short. Sa net dumadaan. Carlota Hernandez seeing her first action. The freshman. Tinuturuan yata ni Malabanan mag-serve to. Lumalakas na yung serve niya. Negrito. Sending it to Pons off the triple block. How about that?
And again, that's one of the things that you have to, take away pagka triple block kayo. Kumukunti yung coverage mo.
Right. Timeout UST. 5 na po ang abante ng FEU.
Galing mo natin yung receive natin sa harap. Kaya, kung walang tumumba, ipensa mo muna kay, nakaka-vertical lang yung bola mo, tumumba ka eh. Iyan mo lang, para nakaportical ka sa kanya. Yung bola mo sa harap. Wala nang nangyayaring kombinasyon sa atin kasi nga alayan ng bola natin. So, walang kombinasyon, iangkat na natin yung dalawang spiker natin. EJ, ang dami mong tapon na bola. Kailan mo babawian yan? Ilang na-over na yan. Tapos ngayon, tapyok naman. So, balikan natin. Mag-focus na ka muna. Pag wala lang, saka tayo lalabas.
Hindi malayo pa
Lumaki yan, ha? Yo, you see.
sila rin. Back to basics din sila.
Yan, and Coach Kung Fu reminding them talaga kung ano yung mga dapat gawin eh. Very simple lang naman yung instructions and really nothing very complicated.
And you can see that Coach Kung Fu is taking a different approach ngayon sa coaching niya.
Yeah.
Hindi na siya yung masermon, masigaw. Dinadaan niya sa lambing ngayon. Let's see if they will respond.
And yun yung hinihingi ni Coach Kung Fu kanina.
Ah.
Magandang first ball eh.
Ayan ang coverage. Meneses! Kinapos. 21-15. 4 na puntos lang kailangan ng FU para masungkit itong ating first set. And Carlota Hernandez to serve once again. Of course, FU leads this best of 3 series 1-0. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Another good serve by Hernandez. At si Tunay cannot get it. So Hernandez, pinisil yung mukha niya doon ni Kyle Negrito. Awa naman yung bata. 22-15. Hernandez.
Another good serve.
Yep, patiras mo ng libero ngayon ng UST. Malayong tira galing sa likod. Tunay, lucky to get that across. Pons, Noy, nailusot kay Ria Meneses.
And again, coverage yung nagiging problema nitong UST.
I believe the first set score in game number 1 was 25-15. Malapit-lapit na maulit yan ng FPU despite the good start of UST this time. Hernandez again. Laure. Cabanos. Lastimosa. Inangat ulit para kay EJ. EJ scores. And substitution, Sara Berrochao and Chloe Cortez will see their first action.
So this is a usual substitution na nakikita natin dito sa UST. Of course, one of the purposes is para ma-maintain ang full front nito nga UST in terms of their attacks.
Kung sino daw ang kapitana, inupo muna, Mela Tunay, nagtaas ng kamay. So, Princess Sara ang tawag dito kay Sara Berrochao.
Oo.
Hernandez. Atienza. Gonzaga! Kasimple-simple.
Wala masyadong lakas.
Right. So, Guaps is serving for the set para sa FEU. Former MVP. Serving for the set. Berrochao, inangat. Chloe Cortez. Hernandez. Negrito. Pons. Nice block by Meneses. One more time around for FEU. Pons, nilakasan na yung palo. Saved by Cortez. Berrochao sends it up. EJ Laure. Nandun naman si Atienza. Negrito on the back set. Jovelyn Gonzaga. Eto, mahaba-habang rally na naman. Meneses! Turned back by Malabanan. A dose of your own medicine. Kaya sinasabi niya kay Riri.
Good single block from Malabanan.
So FEU takes set number 1. As we take a look at our shaky shake and play. Single block, Jerry Malabanan getting it done against Ria Meneses. Diyan lang po kayo. Magbabalik po kami for our second set.
Because FEU is already ahead by 1 set and I'm sure na pag itong FEU lumamang pa dito sa second set, baka marinig na natin.
High blood na naman siya.
High blood na naman si Coach Kung Fu.
Good block there by Gonzaga to begin set number 2.
And another thing that's really working din para dito sa FEU is yung kanilang block eh.
Oo.
You know, probably not all of the attempts converts into a point, but the fact na naibabalik nila yung bola sa side ng UST, that already counts for a lot.
Negrito, matalim na serve. Berrochao getting the start here in the second set as the setter and able to set up Jessie De Leon. De Leon, ties it up at 1. Yung mga nakikita ang picture sa social media, nagmo-model na rin
Oo,
pala
yan.
si
Nagmo-model
Jessie.
din si
Wow.
Jessie eh.
Kasi artistahin na, model pa.
Model.
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 M-A-W-D-E-L, model. Jessie Lane. Ganda na serve. Negrito. Kinaliwa na yun ni Malabanan.
Oh, good set from Sara.
And there is no way you can stop Bella Tunay from that one. Bella Tunay getting the second point para sa UST. Hindi na kita naririnig. Ay, hindi ko nagsasalita ka man. Hindi ka naman
Oo,
sasalita.
wala. Paano mo muna? Hindi na rin kita marinig eh.
Grabe naman yung mga pumapalo. Pero again, they're trying to rally
Oh, yeah.
the Tigresses.
That's right. You know, yung nga sinasabi natin, the crowd also helped. Bernadette Pons calling for a touch.
Wala daw, sabi ni
Wala daw,
Rodrigo
sabi.
Rojas.
At Bernadette Pons,
Nag-ano na lang, nanguso na lang si Bernadette.
wala kang magagawa.
Oo.
Well, she scored 4 points in set number 1. It was Remy Palma who's the top scorer para dito sa FEU with 5. Para naman sa UST, Laure with 4 and Lastimosa with 3.
Ang ganda ng hanap ni Jessie Layton sa sulok. 4-1 UST. Ganito rin yung ginawa nilang panimula ng third set of
Yes.
game number 1 na iniwanan na lang nila bigla FEU. They're starting it early now. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
And again, you know, what the question has always been here for UST is yung kanilang how far can they sustain? Kasi
Right.
they can lead eh. Nauunahan nila.
Ito ngayon, mga errors na tumitira sa FEU. Jovelyn Gonzaga going wide. 5-1. De Leon pa rin. Negrito sending it to Pons. Nahanap ni Pons yung guhit.
And it's the second time that Bernadette Pons did that drop shot.
Very deceptive din. Like Eliza Valdez, very deceptive yung
Oo.
mga drop shot
Kasi
nila.
akala mo talaga papaluin niya eh.
5-2 UST. Malabanan on the serve. The hatchet serve. Meneses on the run off the hands of Pons. Sabi ni Pons, nasira ba manicure ko doon? Just gotta love the reaction to Bernadette Pons also, no? Point or no
No
point.
point, that's
Oo.
right. Oh.
Captain Lastimosa. Tubino. Negrito. Gonzaga off the block, off of Rasmus' hands.
Again, you know, really, that's one of the beauties ito sa mga atake ni Jobs eh. Parang, hindi naman malakas eh.
Right.
Diba? Hindi malakas, makikita mo. But then, she still manages to score the point.
Well, as we take our friends from Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, like Phil Kainglet also before.
Oo, hindi
Diba?
rin kalakasan eh.
Pero ang
Tamang-
ganda ng location parati.
Exactly.
Lastimosa could not contain the serve from Pons.
And I think that serve would have gone outside already.
So Pons once again, Coach Kung Fu. Nakikita lamang naman sila ng dalawa. Let's see the adjustments. Bernadette Pons. Sara Verochao over to Riri. And Meneses scores. That's an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Montera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Uso pa rin yung stare down ni Rhea Meneses eh, no?
Hindi na mawawala yun. Gusto niya makasiguro kasi na talagang point yan, ha?
Yun ang
Tinitingnan niya
palusot.
talaga eh.
Yun ang palusot.
Oo.
Tinitignan ko lang naman,
Tinitignan
ref, eh.
talagang puntos talaga yung
Oo.
nagawa ko. O good save from EJ Laure.
Here's Tunay. Negrito, combination to Bino. And Lastimosa has been playing well on the defensive end. Pons, Gonzaga, to Bino. Blanca na naman ang inabot doon kay Meneses. Gonzaga, Blanca na naman ang inabot kay Meneses. To Bino, third time around. Rhea Meneses. Amazing. Apat na Blanca, kanya lahat. UST up by 4. First technical timeout of set number 2. We'll be right back. ang GMA Public Affairs social media sites on your screens on Facebook and on Instagram as we send it now to Rina Villamor.
Yes, having a slow start is not something new para sa kupunan ng UST Lady Tigers. Kung sila daw ang tatanungin mo, para daw diesel yung kanilang kupunan na ang tagal bago daw sila mag-spark up sa mga laro nila. Sabi naman dito ni Coach Kung Fu Reyes, do not give this game a walk in the park para sa kupunan ng FEU Tamaraws. Instead na ma-frustrate tayo, mag-focus na lang tayo, mag-communicate tayo, and be a team player in this game. Dito naman sa kupunan ng FEU Tamaraws, it's all about enjoying this ball game. Walang mawawala kung matatalo sila sa larong ito. Basta kakailangan may natututunan sila sa bawat galaw nila. And lastly, sad news din para sa kupunan ng FEU Tamaraws. Maybe you're wondering bakit wala nga dito si Coach Shaq De Los Santos for the reason that his only sibling, his only brother, passed away a few days ago. So condolences to the De Los Santos family. Nawalan Ivy.
Nakikiramay kami, Coach Shaq. We didn't know about that. So,
Yes.
condolences to the family, the De Los Santos family. And Coach Shaq, nakikiramay kami sa inyo. So, now 8-6. And maybe, knowing that now, if you can make it a battle cry, let's win this for Coach
Yeah,
Shaq.
that's right. So, parang meron silang ialay nila yung game,
Yes.
'di ba, para kay Coach Shaq.
Oo. Atienza and Pons, nagkatinginan na lang. EJ Laure on the firing end in that one. Let's take a look at that one again. That's an ultra-fast spike. Brought to us by PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Ria Meneses, what a defensive stand kanina ng ating first technical timeout.
Very consistent at the front of the net.
And Jesse De Leon, nahawa na rin. Timeout FEU. UST now up by 4.
Kailangan konting hard. Konting hard yung atake natin. Kasi pag malambot, tapos yung si Mineses nag-aabola ng block dyan, ising-isi lang sa kanila yun. So, medyo pahirapan natin, ha? Kyle, baguhin mo yung play, yung effective. Okay? Kung hirap tayo ng dulo-dulo, mag-combination ka. Ha? Ihatid nyo pa ng maayos yung ano mo. Sa likod, tulong ko mga kasi ito, pupwede ka ba ng backline?
Go, 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 go! Hoy!
Apat lang daw ang kailangan lahabulin. At least maaga pa nangyari.
Yeah, that's
Kesa
right.
naman yung score 2016, medyo mahirap-hirap na yun. Coach Ariel, of course, doing a great job. He won his first head coaching job here in the Shakey's V-League nung game number 1. And Coach Kung Fu, hoping na makabawi rito. Of course, if these two teams split this game, if UST does go on to win, teka muna, maganda tong rally to. Negrito, Palma, hinulog, binuhay na naman. Here's Negrito, sa likod, Pons. Tunay, pero Chao, De Leon!
Bernadette Pons thought that was going outside.
That's just a confident shot on an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. So, kunyari, manalo UST rito, magtatabla sila, pero nanalo Ateneo bukas to get the championship. Pupunta tayo sa quotient to
That's
determine
right.
the bronze medalist. Tubino, good shot. So again, every point counts dito. Kasi, kunyari, sabihin natin, if UST wins by 4 and then Ateneo ends it tomorrow, o di pareho na silang sets for and sets against.
So, yung mga puntos talaga,
Oo.
everything really counts. So, kumbaga kung sino man yung team na matatalo dito, you would really want to get as much points.
Right. Lastimosa. Tunay. Sending it out. Ngayon may mga hitting errors na UST. 3 na lang kanilang kalamangan. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. The boss serving. Pero Chao. Laure. Binuhay pa rin ni Tubino. Too near the net. De Leon cannot convert. Tubino. Nagapay Lastimosa. Pero Chao. Laure into the net. At nagtabog si EJ.
Yeah, I guess the frustration is sinking in a bit.
Kabog bata pa yung ginawa niya.
Kanina pa kasi siya nagkakaroon ng problem sa kanyang atake eh.
Nakita mo yung tabog bata.
Oo.
You know that she's only 18 years old, ha? Ang haba pa ng karir niyan dito. Good serve again by Palma. Dalawa na lang abante rito ng Tigresses. And Royce Tubino napau sa sarili niyang block.
Good block.
Let's see if we can get that again. Here, nakikita mo dito yung reaction ni Royce Tubino pag blanka niya.
Kitang-kita niya kasi, kumbaga abang na talaga eh.
Of course, that was her specialty when she was still the middle blocker ng University of Perpetual Help in the NCAA. 1 point lead na lamang para sa UST. Nice dig by Pons. Regalo time. Hindi na maabutan niya ni Tunay. So the net defense of FEU holding its own. Now we are tied at 11. And the boss, the biggest player on the floor, is at the back.
That's right.
Ibig sabihin, by committee nila ginagawa sa harapan.
Sabang trap ball, ha?
Palma. Pero Chow sending it down the middle for EJ Laure.
A good save from Pons.
Gonzaga itatawid. Pero Chow sending it back to EJ. Cross court miss.
No touch from
No
Pons.
touch, no touch. It happened
Lucky
in front
break.
of us. Yeah. It happened in front of us.
Napahinga si Bernadette. Ay, salamat.
Right.
Buti na lang.
Tignan natin ha. Sa harapan natin nangyari to. Camera natin to. Oh, hindi. Okay yan. Wala talaga dyan. Uy. Wala kay Pons.
Wala. Yeah.
Oh, wala rin doon sa taas. Akala ko meron doon sa taas eh. Lamang na po ang FEU. They were down by 5 earlier. Laure strong. FEU now up by 2. Time out UST.
Tingnan nyo ang stat nyo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang sarap-sarap maglaro na wala nag-go-code sa inyo, di ba? Alam niyo naman kung paano gagawin eh. Ang problema, ano yung agad mag-adjust. Sinabi ko sa'yo, huling-huli ka na, bistado ka na, anong ginagawa mo? Tuloy mo pa rin. On your own, kailangan malaman mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Ngayon, nabistado ka na dito, hatakin mo naman sa kabila. Kailangan natututo tayo. Hindi pwedeng, nakakascore nga tayo, yung kabila naman nagkakamay. Kailangan tayo gagawa ng puntos natin. Kailan pa ba tayo, Mia? Itong baba yan, ha? Itong baba, hatakan uli natin. Dalawa lang yan.
That's good motivation there from Coach Kung Fu. And PLDT Hotel, the Ultra Fast LT for happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Yung mga nanonood ng Aldab.
Nalilito ngayon, no?
Oo.
Di alam ko saan mag-ano eh.
Dito naman ng konti. Di naman mawawala yung dalawang yan eh. Malabanan cannot convert.
Yeah, but Sara Viruchao touches the net. Tinry niya actually lumayo pero hindi talaga eh.
14-11 FEU.
Jay!
Si Mia Hirotsuji, tagakuha na lang ng stats ngayon. Tapos pinapakita sa mga player, error.
Yan ha. Authority na siya.
Right.
Error mo.
Sarap manermon bigla, ano? Laure, yan!
Kabawi rin ni Laure.
I cannot wait for her sister to join them. Ako mga kaibigan, napanood ko na yung batang kapatid ni EJ Laure. Masasabi ko lang yung Ea Laure is the real deal. Is the real deal talaga. Malabanan, nope.
There's a...
Si Malabanan din kasi
Four
na ito. Four
touches,
touches
right?
yun. So FU's lead down to 1. Nakakatuwa yung mga ibang tweet dito eh. Go UST pero may hashtag na Aldab. Tubino cannot get it across. Tied at 14. Kahanap ng illegal blocker dito si Coach Ariel. EJ Laure now to serve. Malabanan with the left hand. Tunay. Up for Lastimosa. Dug up by Gonzaga. Tubino cross court. Great save there from Rasmo. EJ Laure, Gonzaga. Combination to Pino.
And you can see already take off pa lang. Kita na eh.
Again, still getting used to it. I'm supposed to be used to it by now na open spiker si Royce Tubino.
Pero mapapansin mo yung mga bola na binibigay sa niya,
Mababa
sibat,
pa.
mabababa.
Oo.
Oo, sibat pa rin.
15-14. Pero Chow, kailangan lumaban. Lastimosa, tinawid, Atienza. Combination, Pons, yes! Bernadette Pons evading the defense of Pati Rasmo that time. So 16-14, di kita pa rin po tayo dito sa ating second set. Lamang ng dalawa ang FEU. NU game number 2.
Alam na.
Tignan po natin ang ating Shakey's Face of the Day. Ayan po, makikita natin si Althea Alyarde. She's 19 years old from Quezon City. At yung pizzang yan, naamoy ko na mula rito.
Kailangan i-share.
Kailangan i-share.
Yes.
So 16-14 ang ating score. Pero Chow Del Leon. Nagkisulang open spiker. Isa na lang po ang abante rito ng FEU. You have to remember for the UST led 11-6 kanina. So 10-4 run for FEU. Atienza cannot convert. Lastimosa, binawian. So now 16 all. Serve now coming up from Vero Chow. That was going out and Atienza played it. Gonzaga gives up a free ball. Chance for UST. Lastimosa! Parang naflatan doon ng FEU ah.
Right. The USD scoring consecutive points here.
So lamang na naman po rito Tigresses in the end game. They have now scored more points than they scored in the first set. Lamang pa sila ngayon. Atienza. Pons. De Leon. Hindi na mabubuhayan ni Vero Chow. Nice drop shot again from Bernadette Pons. 17 all. Kyle Negrito to serve. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Laure. Lastimosa. Tunay. Nice dig there by Atienza. Pons off the block. Pero Chow, kabila. Lastimosa. Matalim na naman. Pam Lastimosa is having a great game.
That's right. And it's the down-the-line hit of Pam Lastimosa who's really working well para dito sa UST.
Natin dito. There is no antidote to this one. Talim talaga.
Oh. Pero ilang down the line na yan nakakapuntos
Right.
para sa kanila eh.
18-17. Served by De Leon. Atienza inangat. Gonzaga. Nakalimutan nila kaliwete, no?
Don't forget, she's a lefty.
Palitan ng tao. Carlota Hernandez will return once again. Jerry Malabanan will take a seat. So the freshman is probably also being groomed as a libero. Although I do like their new libero.
Yeah.
Etong si, yung freshman din nila, si Duremdes. Si Ria Duremdes. Narito serve specialist / extra defender sa likod. You have to remember that Bang Pineda started her career that way. Hernandez, hinabol. Tubino. Pero Chow, back set. Mela Tunay, nice block by Pons.
Good timing from Bernadette Pons.
Nagulat si Tunay doon. But how small Bernadette Pons is, pero nadaan niya sa timing. Hernandez once again. FEU now up by 1. Tunay, hindi na itawid. FEU now up by 2. Parati may positives, ano? Pag si Hernandez na pumapasok, biglang umaalagwa ng FEU.
Actually, kanina nandun na. UST was almost there. They tied it up.
Yeah.
But
Lumabang pa sila isa.
Oo.
Hernandez again. Meneses blocked. Pero Chow. Tunay. Blocked again. Gonzaga does not care about the audience and is still alive. Quick block there coming from Pons. Tunay. Pons over the defense. Buhay pa rin. Pero Chow. Lastimosa finally.
Good attack from Pam Lastimosa, but we have to give credit to the defense of FEU.
Grabe yung Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Buwis buhay eh.
Alam niyang nauusog yun eh. Diba nung nakita niya papunta yung bola nun, mauusog naman to, tinulak niya.
Tinulak niya eh.
Ang gulat ng mga nakaupo dun.
Sabi sa'yo, hindi safe na malapit ka sa court.
Yes.
Okay, kahit may mga A-boards dyan, hindi ka pa rin safe.
Nakita naman ni Jobs na kinakapit lang yan kanina, nagagalaw yan. Ayan, Jobs, bumawi. So Guapa makes it 21-19. And now serving Bernadette Pons. Do it again. She cannot. Di pa siya pwede pumasok. Tama, di ba?
Yeah.
Si Hernandez ngayon, tinatanong sa tao, may pwesto ngayon. May delay of game na ibibigay dito. Or is it just a verbal warning?
Yeah, it's a warning. Just a warning.
Yeah, so a warning has been given. Hindi pa yellow card officially. Mabait si Rodrigo Rojas. So, nagsabihan susunod. Sabi niya kay boss, susunod sabihin mo sa mga bata mo, ayusin yung pagpalit yan, ha?
Ayusin, ha?
Wow! EJ Laure.
And USD able to figure it out. They down the line.
Oo.
Yun ang kanilang dapat tina-target. Pam Lastimosa has been successful aiming for that spot, and then EJ Laure now doing the same.
So now Cabanos comes back in with Chloe Cortez. Full front line ulit para sa UST. Serve now to Alex Cabanos. Nice serve by Cabanos. Timeout FEU. Tabla na tayo. 21-all.
Bigla na maayos yung receive sa setter.
So, ibigay lang natin ng
may taas lang,
Ha?
kahit may taas lang.
Okay, pag napatay natin, organize natin yung block ulit. Ha? Kaya natin yan. Go.
Okay. Ano siya? Sige sa akin. Tama lang. Papaya, kahit anong isa mo may...
Yan na, future coach Jovelyn Gonzaga. One day may hahawakan na ng team yan. Medyo bata pa lang siya ngayon, pero one day pag may hinawakan team yan, nalala mo si Mikmik nung hawak niya Ateneo. As we take a look at the brain trust ng ating sports vision, si Eleanor Navarro de la Peña, of course with Mr. Moing Martelino and Mr. Ricky Palu. Si Mikmik dati nung hawak niya Ateneo, ganyan din siya. Ayan, lumalabas na ang mga coaching tendencies nitong mga batang ito.
Parang nakikita mo na kung ano yung parang future.
Ang ganda siguro makita si Jobs pag nagko-coach siya sa mga bata, grade school.
Alam ko nagko-coach yan si Jobs eh.
Pero sa grade school, sarap siguro panoorin. Oh, USD grabs the lead. Chloe Cortez celebrating her first point. 22-21. Coach Ariel Canlas, his team embattled now. Alex Cabanos continues to serve. Another good one. Negrito, combination to Bino. Blocked there by Cortez.
Oh, that's
That's a
going to be a
lifting.
lifting violation. Yes, very obvious.
Actually, nasa likod na ni Meneses si Cortez. Now tied at 22. And the former MVP to serve. Guaps. Lastimosa. Cabanos now. Cortez. Atienza. Negrito. Tubino off the block. Tubino! Nanggulat! Yan ang veterano.
Quick thinking from Royce Tubino.
Timeout called by UST.
Ending tayo, tsaka ka ba ayaw? Natawagan ka lang na isa, binitawan mo na agad yung sa ibabaw. Bawas tayo, hindi pwedeng nagkamali ka, ibabaw mo na yung sarili mo. Buhay pa yung bola on, gagawin tayo sila, pinapabayaan natin. Maging mature kayo, yung mga ganong bola, kailangan mo kunin dito. Ano, kamay yung gusto mo na. Sayang yung basa mo, mali naman ang decision mo. Sayang, di ba? Hindi naman kailangan madalhin kasi ang babagal-bagal ng bola, abot mo yung na talaga. Eh, okay lang sana kung malayo yung score, nasa 20s pa tayo. Ngayon, nagkamali na tayo, kailangan lang natin bumalik. Balikan lang natin. Kombinasyon ka lang, Alex ha? Kasi.
Oh, hindi naman pwede magkamali ka. Ibabaon mo na ang sarili mo. Tama yun.
Yeah, you have to rise, Sabi nga nila, pag nadapa ay babangon ulit.
And I think he was referring to Meneses that time.
Kasi pinabayaan niya during this rally. So,
Ayan, no?
oo. Dahil nga naman tinawagan ng lifting kanina, so ngayon ayaw na niyong kumuha
Yun na
ng
nga
bola.
Cabanos. Combination. Laure. Dagap by Gonzaga. There's gotta be a net violation there. And it is. Net violation, Palma. 23 all. And Carla Sandoval, the freshman out of Kings Montessori, will now serve in place of Ria Meneses. Grabe pressure dito.
Oo, very crucial
Di ka naglaro buong game. Tapos bigla ipapasok mo. Kailangan mo ipasok yung mga serve mo
Ito si Coach Kung Fu pa nagsasabi sa'yo. Wala naman pressure.
Mistisa na nga, mamumutla pa lalo. Sandoval. Good serve. Palma off the hands of Laure. Set point now for FEU.
And Remy Palma, quick to recover doon sa kanyang earlier na net violation error.
Jerry Malabana now back in front. Try and finish it for FEU. The boss serving for the set. Cabanos. EJ Laure, no blocker, still not able to convert. Tubino, cross court, saved by Rasmo. Laure, Chloe Cortez, malakas, and the second set goes to FPU. Masasabi natin come from behind fashion yun kasi tamang ang USD
that's
kanina.
right. USD actually led. The momentum was on the side of USD already, but FPU managed to bounce back and get set number 2.
Shaky, shake and play coming up. We take a look at Royce Tubino. And ito si Remy Palma. Remy Palma that time dinaan sa kamay nito si EJ Laure. So we will have set number 3 when we return. Stay with us.
For USD is how long can they sustain it?
So UST with a new setter ngayon. So si Eliza Chope seeing her first action. Chope. Combination play, Mela Tunay. Negrito, back set, galing likod, Jovelyn Gonzaga. And she will score. First point now to FEU. And now to serve, Kyle Negrito. Nice reception there coming from Lastimosa. Tunay, yes. Alam na ng UST, this is it. This could be our last set.
And they really have to give it their all.
Jesse De Leon, wala na nakangiti sa UST ngayon. So De Leon. Atienza. Pons, titira pa rin si Jovelyn. Ando naman si Ria Meneses. Now UST working as a unit. 2-1 Tigresses. Set number 3. They must win this set to force a fourth set. And if they win the fourth set, it's for the fans. Tama, malayo-layo pa, malayo-layo pa.
Malayo-layo pa naman
Pons, nalusutan si Lastimosa. Bernadette Pons has followed up her good game no game number
Yeah.
1 today.
She's been consistent din na sa kanyang laro ngayon. And you know what we got to love about Bernadette Pons is that hindi siya all forcing.
Right.
Diba?
Well, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. And Jerry Malabanan with the hatchet serve, getting an ace. Palit na naman ang libero. Dizon checks back in. So Mildred Dizon at Patty Rasmo nagpapalitan. FU lamang ng isa. Chope lifts it up for Tuna. He was not in the right spot. Negrito. Gonzaga again.
Combination ng ginagawa nitong FEU, of course, with the intention of breaking the blockers nitong UST.
That is 3 straight points now for the Lady Tamaraos, plus this ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. 4-2 FEU. Malabanan, another good one. Chope, inangat para kay Tunay. Gonzaga is there. Chope this time sending it to Lastimosa. And Palma is there. Chope, pinamigay. Palma misses. Uy! Net violation at tinawag sa UST. Nagtinginan silang lahat.
Enria
Tapos
Meneses,
yeah.
yeah. So, hindi naman nag-contest.
Yung mga matatalim na mata ng ating
bilis
mga
ang
referee.
mata ng referee, ah.
Rodrigo Rojas, our first referee. Liberato Benito, the father of Joy Benito.
Yes.
Our second referee. Another good one from Malabanan. Meneses turned back by Palma. So 6-2 FEU. Palitan ng tao. Christine Francisco will now come in for the first time. So take a look at that one again. No power dun sa tira ni Ria Meneses. So pabata ng pabata. Lineup ngayon ng UST.
Yes.
Puro freshman na.
Mga fresh, mga froshies.
Froshies ba tawag yan? Parang drink ka. Tunay, cross court, nicely done. So FEU 6, UST 3. Maaga pa sa third set, hindi pa pwede mawala ng pag-asa UST rito.
Right. It's just a 3-point lead.
And the captain must start the motors running again. What a serve. Negrito, Palma, Lastimosa, Chope, inangat, EJ Laure. Laure, this time contesting it, and UST gets the point. Yan ay mga lalaman ng national team very, very soon.
Alin, oh,
Mga Laure,
yeah.
mga Palma,
Yan na yung
si Pons.
next generation.
Yes. Lastimosa with a good serve. And either a good serve by Lastimosa or a bad reception by Tubino.
It could be both, you know.
Right.
That's also a good serve.
Lastimosa actually is in the top 5 in the league in service aces coming into this match. Negrito on the back set. Gonzaga na ilusot kay Francisco. So Jovelyn Gonzaga now starting to take over. Ayaw na niya magkaroon ng fourth set. It's either may lakad pa siya o may training pa siya.
Pero dalawa lang ang lamang nitong ng FEU. So, of course, for FEU, hindi sila nakakasiguro.
Right. Laure, tumama sa antena.
Yeah, it did hit the antenna.
So first technical timeout of set number 3 sees FEU up by 3, 8-5 over UST. Magbabalik po kami. Bukas po, I'm sure may alarm na kayo na sinet for this game.
Nakamark sa kalendaryo.
Live po tayo bukas 12:45 p.m. Game 2 of the championship between NU and Ateneo as we give it now to Reyna Villamor.
Yes, Noel, focus harder, play stronger, and attack stronger. Yun nga ang sabi dito para sa pupunan ng UST Lady Tigers. Kasi nga itong si Coach Kung Fu Reyes, disappointed na rin siya dun sa performance ng kanyang kupunan. Pero mahinahon pa rin siya habang sinasabi niya kulang daw sila sa puso, sa pride, at aggressiveness sa larong ito. Sabi nga niya, mahaba pa yung oras natin dito. Kailangan maging siguro tayo dun sa ating paglalaro dito. Aside from that, they also need to minimize unwanted errors here. Kailangan para hindi sila ma-pressure, wag sila mag-focus dun sa score nila. Mag-focus lang sila dun sa game nila at sa bola nila. And more importantly, be efficient players inside the court. Noel and Ivy?
They have been doing that to a certain degree pero yung consistency lang
Yes.
talaga nagkukulang.
That's right, yung pag-on and off eh.
Right. Laure getting another cross court to go. Pansinin mo, ang daming puntos na nakuha ng UST sa cross court. And this is an ultra fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Volterra, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. EJ Laure, mahaba-haba pa yan. Carmela Liu.
Oh, good serve.
Carmela Liu with a service ace. 9-7. Dalawa na lang abante rito ng FEU. Tunay once again. Negrito. Tubino dug up well there by Lastimosa. EJ Laure lusot sa block. Just a 1-point lead now for FEU. Timeout Ariel Canlas.
Okay? So, pag nakatake tayo, kailangan tuloy-tuloy. Hindi pwedeng pag pumunta sila, dire-diretso. Tapos diskarte lang. Kung sino man bibigyan, diskarte lang. Diskarte nga. Kasi RCB naman. Ha?
Ayan na. Ang hila na naman si Jovelyn. As we take a look at this again, EJ Laure, sunod-sunod na yung nagiging puntos niya rito. That time through the block. Palma and Gonzaga, two angles of that one. Medyo hiwalay kasi.
Yeah, may gap in between. And you know, pag yan sa blocking, kailangan talaga as much as possible saradong-sarado eh.
A chance to tie now for Mela Tunay. Negrito, back set, Gonzaga, Candado. And EJ Laure even on defense now, starting to become a factor. Natapla na, 9-all. 9-5 kanina yan. Tunay again. Gonzaga, Negrito, Tubino.
Oh, net violation error na naman ang tinawag para dito sa UST.
Too near the net, EJ Laure. 10-9, PLDT Home Volterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Gonzaga. Jope. Francisco on the run. Sinaraduhan naman siya dito ni Tubino. So 11-9. FEU ulit nakakuha ng kalamangan na 2 puntos.
Kyle.
Wops. Chope too near. Laure still firing. Negrito. Palma. Chope. Dizon. Inangat. Laure. Turn back by Palma. Francisco. Turn back by Palma. Chope. Laure over Palma. Negrito, yes!
Quick thinking from Negrito. Coach Kung Fu, I think, was calling for a violation.
And he's having words now with referee Liberato Benito. Ayan na. Galit na si Coach Kung Fu. At sinasabi ni Coach Rodrigo Rojas, stop it. Stop it. Tawa ka ng tawa dyan, Ivy.
Parang naisip ko din na dub mo yun. Yan daw po yung mga
Ikaw rin ba magpapalit ka ng channel?
Hindi, di ba? Ikaw ang voice over. Yung
Stop
mga
it.
referee.
Caption this.
Oo, di ba?
Pero audio.
Di ba may subtitle?
Ah.
Di ba? Kasi ko yung voice over.
O talaga kanina ka pang umaga. 13-9. Gonzaga. Lastimosa. Tiope. Tunay. Gonzaga. Negrito. And a running shot
Oh,
is
that's
missed
outside.
by Remy Palma. 13-10 ang ating score. Christine Francisco just turned 17 last July 24. Laki rin ito, ano?
Oo. Tatangkad pa yan.
Oh. Negrito on the run. Palma! And Laure with the block. Itatawid pa rin niya ni Atienza. Tiope. Francisco itinawid na lamang. Negrito. And that one is a check ball on the shot of Tubino. $14-10 ang ating score, FEU. Labang pa ng 2-0 dito. The boss serving. Tiope. Combination. Laure. Tatlo. Nakaabang. FEU now giving UST a dose of their own medicine with a triple block.
That's right. And again, ito makikita natin na what UST needs to really work on is yung kanilang coverage.
Parang UST in defense, eh, no?
Triple block eh.
Oh, the wall of Espanya has now been beaten by the wall of Moraita. May pader ba sa Moraita?
Parang wala yata
Oo.
masyadong pader doon.
Remy Palma with a service ace, and FEU now is up by 6, 16-10. We'll take the short break. We'll be right back. Ayan na, bukas na yan, ha?
Yes. Nakamark na yan sa calendar,
Oh, sa mga manunood dito sa loob ng San Juan Arena, agahan nyo na ang punta nyo as we take a look at our ultra fun family of the day. This is the Meneses family. Si Mary Rose, si Bernice, at si Jingay. Ano to, mga kapatid ba to sa kapinsan ni Riri?
Oh, pero ang kaway, naman
Ganda
wala ang
naman.
kaway, diba?
May tawag na, di ba yung tinatawag na pabebe wave?
Oo.
The pabebe wave.
Ginagawa mo yan, Noel eh.
Pa-
Alam mo, ha?
Nakikita kita, hi Ivy, pabebe wave. At Remy Palma, napabebe tuloy yung kanyang serve. 16-11. EJ Laure now to serve. Dito ba si Ermat at Erpat kaya nanonood yun?
Oo, nandiyan
Oh.
din naman nag-absent yan eh.
Fumble. If it's on Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Oh, that is a double call here on Royce Tubino.
Parang napaso si Tubino pagkatapos nun eh. 16-12. Hindi pwede pumetics dito ang FEU.
Oh, yeah. 4 points is not a very big lead pagkalaban mo ang UST.
Right. Laure. Umiiwas na si Jobs. Bumagsak sa dibdib niya. Tiope, De Leon. Gonzaga, Negrito, galing likod. Bernadette Pons into the net. Lead is down to 3. straight points now for the Tigresses.
EJ Laure now with 10 points in this match. Although that's quite low, no?
Yes.
We're already here the third set, pero 10 points pa lang siya. Pamela Simosa with 8 and Carmela Tunay with 7. Para naman sa FEU, it's Gonzaga 12 points, Pons and Tubino both with 11 points.
Gonzaga pinamigay. Lastimosa. Dug up again there by Gonzaga. Cross court, pahigang tira. Nagawa ng paraan ni Royce Tubino. And you know what? I wouldn't be surprised kung tinignan natin yung mga numbers, mami, as we take a look at this one again coming from Royce Tubino. Fade away. Cross court
Talagang yun,
shot.
makikita mo talagang experience lumalabas
Oh.
Ginagawa mo na lang ng paraan
But I wouldn't be surprised pag nakita natin stats natin, mami, that if Jovelyn Gonzaga has more digs than Kyla Atienza.
Oo.
Hernandez with another service ace. Kamatay sunog tong batang to, no? Of course, Carlota Hernandez. Wow. Born April 2, 1999.
O, pabata, Noel.
Freshman nga ba to? Baka grade school pa lang ito. Pero marakit. Hernandez.
Yes, play.
Guest player ba? Hindi naman.
Affiliated program.
Hindi.
Kaya nasa college na.
Naalala ko dati, di ba, St. Benil, guest player nila 15 anyos.
Oo.
O si, Spati Orendain, di ba? Tapos NU guest player nila 14 anyos. Pwede naman eh. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League.
Sabi nga nila, di ba, start them young. Kung
Right.
gusto mong makuha, kung gusto mong mapunta sa'yo, bata
Oo.
pa lang, kunin mo na.
Ito, Bernadette Pons. Naka-detonate na naman ng isa. So, Kyle Negrito up to serve. FEU nearing the bronze medal. Mahahabol pa sila dito ng UST. Laure. Chope. De Leon.
Oh, good
Nice
save.
save by Dizon. Lastimosa on the attack. Negrito. Gonzaga! Quaps again.
Sumusulpot na lang bigla kung saan nang
Parang
galing
kabuti,
eh.
ano? Kabuting galing Gibaras. Time out, UST.
Anim ang kukunin natin puntos ngayon. Kasi simulan lang natin yan sa una, sa magandang receive muna. Mia, dito ka muna. Kontrolin muna natin yung first ball natin. Hindi man ganun kaganda, at least nandiyan sa harap. Malakas naman yung atake natin dalawang dulo eh. Bigyan, pero magpakombinasyon ka muna. Huwag ka na basta-basta mag-set. Tingnan mo muna kasi yung mga blocker mo. Saan tayo makakuha ng advantage. Yun ang kailangan mo matutunan. Kaya hindi ka lang basta bigay ka lang ng bigay ng bola. So magdudulo-dulo ka, sino bang dulo, sino blocker sa kabilang dulo. Kuha ka ng advantage lagi. Yun ang pag-aralan mo. Pambata ka pa. Yun, let's see.
English, the art of porsyentuhan. Ay, hindi pala English lahat yun, ano? Yung art of lang English. Oh.
Pero tama pagkati ni Coach Kung Fu talaga di ba? Parang he's setting the challenge para kailangan mong matuto. And this is the perfect setting for you to learn those things.
Isipin mo naman, if Eliza Chope can develop to be at least on the level of Alex Cabanos at this point,
Oo.
grabe, lakas ng UST bigla because you're talking about a 5'11" center.
Exactly. Parang tinasala kampeng,
Right.
no?
But she's only 16.
Exactly. So tatangkad
Oo,
pa yan.
tatangkad
Isipin
pa.
mo kung 6-footer na center. Patangkad pa sa quicker mo.
Grabe. Yan ang totoong Great Wall of
Oo.
Espanya. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. FU's lead is 5. Negrito. Pons. Cross court. Dug up well by Chope. Lastimosa. Still no quitting for UST. And Ria Meneses is dispatched once again. Napanood na ni Ria.
Oo.
Nakwentuhan na siya ni Kung Pures. Nakwentuhan na siya ni Mia Hirotsuji. Nakikita mo itong mga numero
Ito
mo.
kasi ganito
Okay,
yan.
ito yung mga numero mo, ha?
Oo. Pero sometimes ganun talaga inano ng coach. No? They take you out so that you
Oo.
can see.
Right. Gonzaga can see everything. Magbe-24 pa lang po yan.
Oo.
Hindi pa masyadong, ang tawag natin veterano, but she's only turning 24.
Young veteran.
Yun na nga
Ha?
eh. 21-16. Jerry Malabanan. Hatchet serve goes through.
Lucky break there para sa FEU.
The future cornerstone with a service ace. 3 points away ang FEU. Timeout, Coach Kung Fu.
Kita mo yung bola, pero anong ginawa mo? Tinignan mo lang. Di ba pwedeng sundutin mo man lang? Nangyayari talaga yun eh. Anong decision mo doon? Let go mo na yung bola? Alisa, kailangan matutunan mo yung mga ganyang bagay. Nakita mo na, ituloy mo na. Meron pa naman second ball na kukuha eh. Makakatake pa rin tayo. Walang kumuha, automatic lang, nagdalap sa sahig. Okay? Iatake natin yung puntos natin. Taas pa natin yan, di ba naman tapos sasabihin dito.
Is there a tone of resignation already dito sa boses ni Coach Kung Fu na padikitin lang natin? Who knows what can happen?
Could be, or probably nakikita niya na no need to put in too much pressure on the girls
Right.
also.
22-16. Jerry Malabanan. Actually, feeling ko breakout game ito para kay Malabanan in a certain aspect. Yung consistency na lang niya yung kailangan niyang aralin. Speaking of consistency, Hernandez and Palma say hello to each other. Ate, hello. Sabi ni Carlota, ate, ako po si Carlota. Alam ko, hindi po tayo masyado madalas nagkikita.
Oh, hindi lang tayo nagkasama sa loob.
22-17. Lastimosa. There's Negrito. Back set. Gonzaga. Nice save by Tunay, but no one else got to it for UST. 23-17. At bumalik na si Tubino sa harapan. 2 puntos na lang kailangan ng Lady Tamaraws para makamit ang kanilang pangalawang bronze medal sa kasaysayan na pagsali nila dito po sa Shakey's V-League. Tunay into the net. Match point FEU. Or bronze medal point, however you want to call it. Pons serving for the match. Laure. Saved by Tubino. Inangat. Royce. Inangat pa rin ni Lastimosa. Laure sending it over to Tunay. Negrito on the run. The boss. Palma. Laure. Mahaba-habang rally.
Mahaba din to. Tubino drop
Tubino.
shot.
Laure is there. Chope. It's going to be a double on Chope, and that's it. The Far Eastern University takes the bronze medal. Straight sets win kontra sa koponan na UST. And of course, this is great preparation for their collegiate season. But for now, for the second time in their history dito po sa Shakey's V-League, ang Far Eastern University will take home third place. Take a look at that Shakey shake and play. Jovelyn Gonzaga going over the defense. I can see everything, sabi niya.
Oh, clearly I can see everything clearly.
Yan. Of course, so many heroes din para dito sa kupunan ng Far Eastern University. Of course, we will have our awarding in just a few moments.